Hey guys, Kenny over at Phillips RV. I just want to show you this used 2021 Coachmen. This is a 336 TSIK. And so we could start over here. You got a nice big living room area, TV, fireplace. This controls all your audio inside and outside. Nice big pantry. Light comes on when you open the door. Kitchen area, you have your 3 burners on your stove, you have your oven, and you have your microwave. Big residential fridge over here. Fridge and freezer. Plenty of space for your things. Kitchen table area. If we come up here, you have your bathroom with a nice big shower in it. And then in the back here, this is your master bedroom. Got some storage in these drawers. And then you also have a nice big walk-in closet. And it has a washer and dryer hookup. If you guys have any other questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.